Let's talk about themes in Aliveforms. Themes define how your form will look. Here I open our form in form editor, and from here we go to themes setting by clicking this theme button here, or from menu and go to theme, and you can select predefined themes from here, or we can create our own theme. So here we are going to create a new theme. We can click create new theme and apply, or when we are in form editor we can click on this create theme button here. So click on this and let's give it a name. Let's say it is called tutorial, and this will create and apply the theme. So this is structure of theme, and we can enter the values, and we can also modify CSS properties, and CSS properties will work only for premium. And we also have a JSON editor for the theme, and we can use ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. to create a theme for us using AI chatbots. So first I open the form, and I can open it by going to desk, and from here I go to forms section, and I can open our form by clicking this I button here. So that's how by default our theme will look. Now first thing is the background image. If we want to use a background image, we can select one from our gallery or Dropbox, and we can set up the style, or we can select predefined one, for example this one, and I go with tiled mode and click on save, and let's refresh our form. So that's how this will look. And from here we can also select the blur effect on the background of the stage, and if we want a shadow we can also define shadow. So save it and preview it. So we can have a blur effect, and we also have this shadow here. And from here we can also change the text on buttons. For example, this button, we can make it anything like next question. We then need to save it, and we have next question text here. And from here we can select how our completion indicator will look, that is on the top section. So this one, we have bar and this completion badge. So we can show which one we want, so we can show text only, progress, etc. And same with timer, we can show a bar or the number. And talking about rounding, that is how round our buttons or other elements will look. So we can change the value, and if I refresh, so there is change in the rounding of these elements. And now the fonts, we can select fonts from this list. For example, Poppins for heading, and this one, and again we need to save it. So we have our fonts here. Now the thing is that our stage background, that has a white background but it is completely transparent. So we can set our transparency, or we can make it opaque, but it is depending upon our requirement for the theme. Similarly, we can select our all colors from here. And one other thing is that if I open this bot icon and click on load, uh, I have complete code of this theme. So what I can do is that I can copy the code here and go to Gemini, paste it here, give it the prompt and tell about the color theme. For example, I say make a red aqua inspired theme, and that will generate the theme. So we can copy this and paste here, and we need to remove the comments. Actually, I remove these comments and click on apply and save it. And let's have a look. So we have our theme like this here. So that's how we can work with themes in Liveforms. And that's it for this video. And thank you for watching the video.